Alright, I am going to be unboxing this headphone. I'm doing a little something different here, which happens to be with a complete different lens. The old metal mount 28 to 80 millimeter Canon lens that was the Rebel kit lens from the mid 80s. 3.5 to 5.6. I hope it's not too loud. It is a very phenomenal lens, and I definitely hope you guys pick it up, check it out. Just the first version with the metal mount. It needs a lot of light though. But alright, enough of this. Let me stop talking about lenses and let me get on with the show, which happens to be about this headphone. I am not currently home. I'm just I bought a place, so I'm waiting for it to get ready and this and that. So I am just with my girlfriend's room. So it's a little different here. I don't have everything, so most of my stuff is in storage right now. And I really wanted to try something a little different, and well, Z's reviews, he's very eccentric, but he did say, what I never liked about the Sennheiser HD518 was that it was a very boring sound, and the comfort was really huge, and this is a pain in the ass. And he said this headphone, you want the HD558 for comfort, you go for that. You want good sound, you go for this one. And these are very well-known headphones. 500, 700, the ATH AD500X, 500, AD5 700. That's a very popular headphone for gamers. And I wanted to get let me try out the most basic one, you know. And I never liked that design, that terrible purple design of the AD700. Oh my god, that design. Such a turn off. Such a turn off. So, I really hate. Oh, do I? I hate with a passion the freaking Audio Technica's ATH M50X. Oh, do I hate those headphones. I seriously hate those headphones. The 50X, the 50S. Those headphones are to me just complete garbage. So, without further talking and viewing, and I'm also going to have a sound test, I will unbox it. Let me show you the box first. Audio Technica. Here. Aerodynamic headphones. Focus. This lens is really just great for movies. I mean, great for photography. I'm not good for video work. In the front, you have the headphone. The side, AIR, Aerodynamic headphones, ATH AD500X, newly designed 53mm headphones. Drivers. Spacious with wide range sound. And newly designed 53mm drivers with CCAW voice coils. We produce wide range sound, lightweight aluminum honeycombed casings with excellent acoustic properties, 3D wing support provides a comfortable listening experiences. Total ear fit design minimalizes pressure. Flexible raised fabric ear pads offer excellent wearing comfort and durability. Highly conductive OFC single-sided cord with elastic TPE sheath to prevent tangles. In the back, you get a whole bunch of Japanese stuff and basically the same thing I just read to you. The side, just a headphone. And it's unboxing time. Simply, let's see here. Oh, great, just coming back. Alright, I guess you just take this up. Well, I guess I'll just butcher the box, which is something I never like to do. I never like to butcher the boxes. Yeah, I really hate butchering the boxes. I really don't like to butcher these boxes at all. Open the box and take it out. Very basic, and that fell out easily. Ooh, these are nice pads. These are very light. I also have owned, and I do own the these are very nice. It's really, I have owned the ATH 500, the Audio-Technica 1000X, which is, this is all made of metal. I also own, and I have the Philips Fidelio X2, a fantastic headphone for $300, which obliterates the freaking Sennheiser HD650s, which I really hate. Very boring headphone. Very boring headphone. Also, when this fell out, it comes with a 1/8 inch quarter adapter, which you can use with your headphone. Home stereo system. The 1/8 quarter inch adapter. Manual in Japanese. This is the open headphone series. I would love to try out the. This is the basic series, 900X, 700X, 500X. Love to try out the 2000X sometime. I love open headphones, but the ATH 1000X, I can't remember about the one with the wood, headphone. I can't remember the name of the one right currently off my top of my head. Phenomenal headphone, phenomenal, great for gaming. Technica is a really great gaming headphone. Almost all of them. This one is fantastic wood. Tuned headphone. The Technica ATH SW9. Phenomenal headphone. Phenomenal. Always has gotten the job done. But it's a headphone that tends to, unfortunately, it's not the greatest for movies. It's fantastic for music, movies, and games. It depends. It fluctuates up and down. very long cord. Tangle's very interesting. It is not detachable. No, not detachable. Nice wing support. The very loud lens. Never gonna use this lens again for video work. My head is pretty small, but usually my head fits these vertically. Could I use better material? Maybe this has come off. It does come off. Maybe look out for better pads. I'm not really a big fan of actually taking headphone pads on and off. I just never had good luck putting them back on. I like to take a look at the speakers, which is the drivers on the headphones. I'll zoom in. Hopefully it will focus. Okay, time for the sound test. Just going to be using my phone for the moment. I hope this is a good sound test. Hmm. 30th second of Mars. City of Angels through this track. Okay, now here's some K-pop. Okay, time for some high resolution, like bluegrass and vocal. Interesting headphone. I'm going to let you hear for a quick second, actually, see how loud it goes. It is an open headphone, fully open. So it will sleek sound like there's no tomorrow. But it will get the job done, regardless. That you giving me. Now I'm gonna hear a movie here. Let's see how it sounds with the movie. Actually, I want to hear it sounds with some bass. People always complain about these headphones and how they always, the old series, and how they didn't have enough bass in them. You got a generation of people that just want bass and I want everything else. Phenomenal. Loud, but phenomenal. Phenomenal. Okay, thank you for watching the unboxing, first look, and first sound test of the Technica AIR series ATH 500X. AD500X. Also, the drivers are 53mm neodymium drivers, like I said. I did want to read you off the hertz and everything else. 5 to 25,000 hertz, 5500 MW, 48 ohms, 265 kilograms.